In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Arc Search browser to the latest version using your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to update Arc Search browser, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and look for Google Play Store on your Android smartphone and open it. Once you have opened it, go ahead and look for the search bar up here. If you can't find this, go down below and look for this search icon. If you just click on it, now you have an option to search for this browser by its name. Go ahead and just type the name like that, and then search by typing on search icon, and you should see your Arc Search browser here. Now you can see I'm using an outdated version which is not secure. To get the latest version that is more secure and also with the latest feature, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Arc Search browser and then install it on my smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you'll have the latest app. You can proceed and open it to start using the latest version of Arc browser. So that's how you can get the latest version of Arc browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.